Hello everyone and welcome to the second lesson of Introduction to Web Development with Django course. This lesson will be about creating and setting up projects. So the lesson will consist of three steps. The first step will be to open a terminal. It's here. You can search it up on this thing and then search CMD and it will pop up. So before creating a virtual environment, we need to decide in which folder are we gonna create our thing. So I prefer creating it on desktop, so I type cd desktop, right? Then I type the command for creating a virtual environment. So this command, Python 3 minus vnv mynv is an iOS command. So I use the different one because I'm on Android. Py vnv, then the virtual environment name. So for example, the very first virtual. en- So it is creating my virtual environment right now. Let's wait a bit. So it successfully created my virtual environment. So now we need to activate it using the commands, the virtual environment name. So very first virtual and then scripts, then then activate. So we activated our very first virtual environment and then we go into so see the very first virtual environment. We're in the virtual environment and now we install Django, pip install Django. So let's wait a bit. It is installing right now. And then we will check the Django version to verify if it fits our project or not, and if it's new enough. Yeah. So yeah, we successfully installed it. Now we check Django admin and then version to check the version of the 5.1.3. It's fine, so we continue. We move on to the next step. So step two will be to create a project. Django admin start project first project. Yeah, we created project. Now we need to open the VS Code or any other code editor, but I prefer VS. So now I am in the very first virtual environment project, and now we can see the files of the first project. We're particularly interested in them because they are the things that help us to build the project itself, and those files are just environmental files, right? Now we go into the first project, cd first project. Then we type in um, Django admin startup main. This command starts a project, a new application, and now we can run the server using the command python manage py server. So, but this command is actually for iOS too. So we'll use just py manage py run server. So you may see the error. You have 18 unapplied migrations, and it's fine because we actually didn't migrate anything yet. You learn how to do it in next videos. So we go into the server, we can open it up, and here we see that our project and our server works correctly. So yeah, let's sum up. Today you learned how to install Django, how to create and run a project, and in the next lessons, you'll learn how to add pages and apps to your project.